Hey guys, Corey here. Some of you probably saw the announcement that I'm coming back to YouTube here September 1st. Want to confirm, will be happening. Um, I guess want to clarify what's going to be happening here. The YouTube channel is coming back, however, with major changes. I've decided over the past few months, weeks, need to change some things up. Started off when I was doing a video with our friend. I apologize, I'm doing a walk here with my dog, so it's kind of dark. But started here with a question and answer session I did with the Bearded IT Dad, my friend Dakota, for his class. And had a lot of fun doing it. But what I've noticed over the past few months is that my passion for actually doing training hasn't been there. I think there are people out there who are much more qualified for me than actually do actual training. What I want to do is bring some realism to the subject. I want to bring lessons learned, experiences, interviews with people who have been doing training, and also industry experts over the years who have founded companies, who are network engineers, people who are starting out and they can see where they're at in their pathway now. And just to get an idea, and I also want to be real. The one thing that I had a lot of fun doing when I talked to Dakota students was just being myself. A little more off the cuff, a little more unfiltered, let's say. So I will tell you, it is coming. Stay tuned. September 1st, we're going live. For those of you who are following the AZ900 course, it will be continuing. I will finish up that one as promised. Might take a little bit longer, but I've got interviews already set up with a few big names in the industry, other YouTube creators who focus on cybersecurity, cloud. We're not going to just focus on Azure either. I am no longer the big bald Azure guy. I am the big bald cloud guy because I am now AWS as well. It was a requirement for things I had to do for work. And we're moving forward with that as well. Multi-cloud is going to be the way of the future for this channel, as well as cybersecurity, networking, A+, Security+, you name it, we'll be there. And we're going to have a hell of a lot of fun too, guys. It's going to be different. Like I said, a little more off the cuff, definitely unscripted. There will be live stuff. I'm tempted to do a bi-weekly open Q&A session for everybody so they can see, so they can talk to me about any questions they may have in the field. But it's coming, guys. So stay tuned to the channel for updates. I'll be posting them on YouTube community and also in the in my LinkedIn, as well as my newsletter starting up as well. So my newsletter is starting up as well again. So stay tuned, guys. I'll see you then.